Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journeys. In this video we will discuss about like how much time to rank the website. Means how much time we can rank on a particular keyword in the Google or in any search result. So the time it's take for a website to rank in the Google depend on several factors, including basically if we will try to rank in the Google, the particular ranking process can be depend into the multiple factors. The first multiple factor in the multiple factor that can be content quality. Writing good content is important for ranking well. Like if our content of the website will be good, then we can say that the content on that particular keyword can be increased and can be in lesser time than compared to the low quality content. The next we can say about the competition. The level of the competition for your keyword can affect how long it take to rank. For example, it might take several years to rank for a term like new bicycle, but only a few months for used bicycle for teenager in many people. Basically, the second factor is on the basis of the competition. Competition can also the big role, a big factors for the big factor that can affect the website ranking. In the competition, we can say that if we are targeting high competition keyword, in that case, the website ranking on a particular keyword can take a longer time. If we are using the low competition keyword, in that our website ranking will be faster than compared to the high competition keyword. Now the website is there, so if the website age is higher than new website, so the higher age of the website can be ranked easily. So you can see in the definition part, Google tends to rank older website over new ones because they have gained authority and trust over time. Like Google basically will try to focus on ranking on the older. Why Google focus on ranking older website? Because over the time period they have gained the authority and trust. Now the optimization is there. Optimizing your website for search engine can help you rank faster. This includes covering the three pillars of the SEO: the content quality, backlinks, and the third technical part. Like we have to optimize. If the website optimization is being done in proper way, the main three optimization part. The first one is the on page. The second one is the off page. And the third one is the technical part. If all the three aspect of the SEO has been done in proper way, so we can say that it can take lesser time than compared to the non-optimized website. So here are the some other factors that can affect how long it take to rank. Backlinks. The first factor is the backlinks. The authority of the referring page is important ranking factor. Suppose in the backlinks, always try to focus on that. We have to create backlinks on high DA and high PA website. So the backlinks, like if we will create on high DA and high PA website, if we create backlinks on high DA, high domain authority and high page authority website, so Google will think that this is a authority. Like basically the main purpose of the creating the backlinks is to build the authority in the search result. So if we can easily build the authority on the search result, so we can easily rank on the Google search console Google result. Okay, so the backlinks is the main factor. So whenever you will create the backlinks, to try to create on the high DA and high PA website. The second one is the page rank. In the page rank, we can say that like we will not do the complete website SEO at once. And on page SEO, we have to do the separate SEO for the pages. Like we have to do for the home page, for about us page, for courses page. So for all the web page in a website, we have to do the separate SEO. On the basis of that, page authority will be decide like how much authority the Google will determine for each particular page. Some general guidelines is there, like how much time it can take to rank. The first one is the blog post. Blog post can be ranked in 2 hours if we doing via the instant indexing type of things, and the competitive landing page can take 2 weeks to rank if all the things done in the good way. Series of the page can be take up to 6 months. New website can take up to 3 to 6 months in between. And the top 10, suppose if we have to come in under top 10, then it can take approx 2 to 6 months. It will be depend on the competition of the keyword and the several factors like optimization, website age, competition, the content quality. The number 1 position can take up to 3 years for a page to rank in the number 1 position. Same, the number 1 position, this is just the normal data, but actual factors on what kind of the keyword you have choose for the rank. And in simple way, if we say, so normally website take for the ranking part is between 3 to 6 months. So this is the overview, like how much time to take to rank the website in the Google in the search result. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.